Hey loves, so you guys already know why I make these review videos, and today I'm going to be reviewing one of the old DIY items, DIY designs I made. So a little side story to this is that I ordered this from online. Alright, I got this from an online shopping website, and it was nothing like what the picture was on the shopping website. So I was a bit sad, and I wanted to I almost did throw this out, but I decided to do a little thing on it and just uplift the load, and it did work like magic. I just basically used stones and just did this design. So I'm gonna leave the link of the video where I actually did this in the description box so you guys can check it out. So but that was it. I wanted to wear this in mostly like formal outfits. So yeah, I decided to uplift the look using stones, and it did really work and it did serve me. So guys, make sure before you throw anything out, see if there's any way you can uplift the look and all that. So I'm just going to throw this on anyway so you guys can see it.